Now, let me go to the second situation. In the previous video, we found the time taken by the object to reach the maximum height. Now, we will find the second one related to this particular situation. That second one is, let me keep it in a separate color. Okay. Second parameter that we want to find is maximum height reached by the object. Maximum height reached by the object when something is thrown with some initial velocity u. Okay, so that is the maximum height. So we just assumed in our previous video that maximum height as h. Okay, so we know what is the displacement traveled now. Is it right or not? So the object is on the ground. Initially it is on the ground. From the ground it is thrown vertically upwards with some initial velocity u, and we assumed that the maximum height reached by the object as h. Therefore the displacement is h. So s is equal to h. And what is the another thing that we know? Initial velocity u is equal to plus u because it is vertically upwards. Similarly, acceleration is equal to minus g. What we want to find is h value, means let me erase this first. So we want to know what is that h value. Okay, if you find h s value, it is nothing but h, maximum height. So I want to know that. And at maximum height, as we have seen in our previous video, at maximum height the velocity is 0, so v is equal to 0. Now we have this information, the information related to initial velocity, information related to acceleration, and information related to final velocity. I want to know displacement. What is the kinematic equation that I can make use here? It is v square minus u square is equal to 2as. Okay, now what is v? 0, so 0 square is 0, minus, you can write u square as it is equal to 2 into, what is a is minus g, right? So minus g, and yes, we considered it as h, right? So h. Now minus minus gets cancelled out, therefore h is equal to u squared by 2g. So this is the expression for maximum height reached by an object which is thrown vertically upwards with the initial velocity u. Okay, now this time of ascent which we derived in our previous video, which is given by time of ascent is equal to u by g, we can change this expression, means another formula for time of ascent we can get from this. See, how can we get from this equation? I can write u square is equal to 2gh, and u is equal to under root 2gh, and here you will get plus or minus. As the initial velocity is vertically upwards, we can take plus without any doubt. Now substituting that u value in this equation, time of ascent value can be obtained, means another formula for finding the time of ascent is root of 2gh by g. Now I want to make this g to enter inside the root, so that I need to take the square for g. What we will get now, 2gh by g square. So 1g and 1g gets cancelled out. So another expression for time of ascent is under root 2h by g, where h is the maximum height. H is the maximum height reached by the object when it is thrown with some initial velocity. If you know the maximum height and acceleration due to gravity is already known to us, then you can find time of ascent easily by using this formula. Or else, if you know what is the initial velocity with which the body is thrown vertically upwards, you can use this formula. Okay, and this is the expression for finding the maximum height reached by the object. Okay, in the next video we'll find the third parameter related to this particular situation.